Okay, so this particular film, we're going to start here, and then we're going to go around to Sao Paulo ruins, which is right over there. So stay tuned, it's going to be kind of interesting.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
go check out the room.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. So this film is going to be, this is Patio do Espinho. Kind of a cool building right there. Amazing rooftop up there too. And some kind of the backside. But this is like a little area of kind of small little, and there's like a little museum right here, a real tiny one. Just show you real quick. Looks like that. There's like a lion dance head there too, in the back. They probably do performances here outside all the time. And then when we come out, you kind of have this little legend right here, legend of Tcha. And then I think this one is somehow connected to it. So Tcha. So this one, there's a sign for it, and we'll definitely show you that sign in a minute too. Before we do, like some people, they want to check it out on Google Maps, and then that way you can see exactly what we're talking about. Yeah, the lighting is beautiful right here too. So okay, so this is a temple, and then we're going to show you this right here too. So this is a temple of Tcha, built in 1888, rebuilt in 1901. I don't know, can you see that? I won't read it all, but you can study that and see it if you want to know exactly. Pause it right now, because I'm gonna take it off. It's also in Chinese, Portuguese. And then this is going to be Sao Paulo ruins right there. So we're on the back side, and we're going to go around the front side in a minute. But yeah, basically, this is how cool this little space is. So we're going to go around in a minute. There's Sao Paulo ruins. So we're going to follow through. That's cool. Okay, so let's see. We're going to follow through, and then you can see Lisboa. And then you can also see Sao Paulo ruins. Right there. Got these bright lights. Okay, so we just came up from that way, and then this is the front side of Sao Paulo ruins, so now you can see what it looks like, and we're just going to see what the crowds look like and get out of that light. And another part of the year, when it wasn't COVID, this thing would just be completely filled with people. But as it is, it's just kind of here's Sao Paulo ruins. And this one, there's you can see some people up there walking around. You got amazing views of the city. Probably be good to go up there, but it's a little bit hard to get up there right now. There's usually like a museum that people go up to. And I kind of want to focus on some other stuff. So anyways, this is basically the top of Sao Paulo ruins right here. There you go. Perfect lighting. Okay, just in case you wanted to see that, this is all in English. You can stop and pause if you want. A little bit hard to see. Portuguese and Chinese as well. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.
chiquinha, chiquinha.